Hey everyone, Ronnie at Slater. I'm going to go do some repairs. I've been on the site 45 minutes, talked with the client for 15 minutes, and been setting up for 30 minutes. And I want to show you how I'm approaching this fall protection solution today. So I'll turn this around just a second, you'll get to see. Okay, so a bunch of ice fell off the roof and hit, you'll get to see photos, destroyed the slate right there. And so when we set up, what we do is we tie off the bottom of all our ladders so that can't kick out. I use ladder standoffs to keep me off of the gutter, keep from destroying the gutter. I don't have an anchor over the roof today, so I'm going to be using the top rung of my ladder, and I tie off the ladder to things on either side so that pretty much that ladder can't tip, it can't go out. And what I'm using to tie the ladder off today is a little rope grab called the Tiblock from Petzl. It's real small, real simple, so I can tighten this up very easily. And now I get to get up there and do the repairs safely. I'm going to be using my rig descender for the safe working today because I need to be up close, tight on that top rung of the ladder, and I can't risk any slack or any fall. Here we go.